Welcome to the UWO Fox Cities and Fond du Lac Writing Center. For Fall 2020, all tutoring will take place online. Tutoring is available to all UW Fox and Fond du Lac students, and we are happy to help students at all stages of the writing process. Bring us an assignment sheet and we'll help you brainstorm. Bring us a draft and we'll give you revision suggestions. We work with writers on a variety of assignments and writing projects. We work with students not only in English classes, but many other discipline-specific classes. Our services are offered to writers at all levels of expertise. You will receive help from student tutors or an English instructor. You can visit as often as you would like, and there is no cost. One thing to keep in mind, however, is that we aren't a proofreading service and don't mark up papers. First, we will help you with your assignment guidelines and the focus of your paper. Next is support and organization. Finally, we will help you with citation and sentence level errors. In the fall 2020 semester, sessions last up to 50 minutes and are based on online appointments. You can make an appointment on the Tutoring Services website. Make sure you're on the Fox Cities tab. Hover over Academics, scroll down to Tutoring Services, and click on this. Next, click on Writing Center. And next, click on Schedule an Appointment. Now you will enter WC Online, our tutoring platform. You will have to register, which only requires you to type your name, email address, and password. I suggest you use your UW-OSH email and password since you already have it memorized. Next, log in, and you'll go to the scheduling page. Click on any of the white boxes to schedule an appointment. You will be prompted to fill out some information and choose an appointment type. We currently offer two types of appointments: e-tutoring and online video chat. For e-tutoring appointments, you make an appointment and upload your assignment directions and your paper. You will not meet with the tutor at the time of the appointment. Instead, the appointment reserves the tutor's time, and during that time, the tutor will review your paper and provide you with comments. You will receive an email when your comments are ready, and you can then go back to WC Online, click on your original appointment, and you will find a file with your comments there. For an online video chat, you make an appointment with a tutor. Shortly before your appointment time, you will log back into WC Online and click on your white appointment box. You will find your tutor waiting for you in the virtual space to help you get started with the writing assignment or to go over your paper draft with you. If you have any questions, you can email us at fox-writingcenter@uwosh.edu. We hope to see you online soon.